Alright, the warning already gone. It's clear and fixed and solved. Hello, I got this error and I'm so curious because this is the first time ever I found this warning. Brake lining wear, please visit workshop. So the first step that I do is to remove the front wheel because W203 only use the brake lining wear sensor at the front side. Already removed the rim and the wheel and this is the sensor you can see here, and I already tried to connect and disconnect this one. Just simply pull this from the socket, and then the things that I found, I already able to see the wire here, if you can see here, because this pin will goes inside the brake pad. We can see a small hole where that pin goes inside, this one. So from the article I read, the system of this car will read the resistance from this device. So when the brake pad already wear out and it's already become thin, and then the resistance of this device will be changed. The change of that resistance will trigger the system generate a warning on the dashboard. So the things that I do right now, I need to replace this one, and I just found in my local market here, and it's very cheap. It's only approx $2 to US dollars, in rupiah only 35,000. So by simply change the sensor, and then we will solve the problem. Thank you. This is after the new sensor for the brake pad already installed, and let's try. Alright, the warning already gone. It's clear and fixed and solved. Thank you for watching.